Good day, I am Marvin Simakas from University of the Philippines, Open University. Today, I am going to discuss with you the MIS Strategic Plan, MIS Operational Plan, System Analysis Design of Philippine Computer Foundation College. To begin with, Philippine Computer Foundation College or PCFC, formerly Philippine Computer Learning Center, is established in 1996. It was in the year of 1999 when the school opened its second branch in Pilica, Camarines Sur. The school offered senior high school, vocational courses, and baccalaureate degree. School philosophy. Philippine Computer Foundation College is dedicated and committed to serve new generation in the pursuit of quality computer education and the advancement of information technology, abreast with the furtherance of contemporary culture and promotion of profound faith in the Supreme Being. The general objective of the school is to provide students with highly competent literacy and information technology through skilled and trained educators to equip them with both technical and ethical skills in preparing them to face the complexities of the world of work and globalized society. Let us now perform an SWOT analysis of the school. First, parents are involved in different activities of the schools. The location of the school is in a strategic location where people can easily see. The school also participates in some of the community activities sponsored by various organizations and local government. The school has a harmonious relationship between parents and administrators. In terms of faculties, all teachers that handle textbook courses pass in the test the assessment and holder of national certificate. Most of the teachers that handle college subject have a unit or graduate of master's degree. Some of them are also a passer of licensure examination for teachers. These are the weaknesses of the schools. Some of the teachers in the schools are not available when parents want to talk to them, since some of them are not a full-time. The classroom of the schools are small, which cannot be used by large classes. Another weakness is that some of the facilities are not available due to limited spaces and result to low academic performance of the students. Next weakness is that some of the requirements raised by CHED are not complied because of low enrollees in degree courses. Low enrollment in textbook courses due to the K-12 program implemented by DepEd in 2016. The last weakness is that the equipment and tools of the laboratory are not updated. Let us discuss the opportunities of the school. First, TESDA offers a scholarship for some courses which can help the school to solve the financial problem. The PCFC is also one of the recipients of the DepEd voucher program. In terms of faculty, some of the faculties in the school become a CHED scholar under the K-12 program, which may help the school to comply in the CHED requirement in terms of faculty qualifications. In terms of equipment, school purchase some of the equipment to comply and to test the requirement. The school also implement teacher evaluation and registrar system that it can help the efficiency of the schools. Enrollment for degree courses and teachers will also resume since there will be more high school graduates who are eligible to enroll in college. What are the threats of the schools? First, DepEd has a mass hiring for senior high school teachers, which cause teachers to transfer from private to public. College students transfer to state universities and colleges because of the implementation of the pre-tuitions. Senior high school students prefer to enroll in public high school because of the pre-tuition. This will result to a low number of enrollees in senior. Let us now proceed to the Management Information System Operational Plan. Let us have an overview of the Student Record Management Information System of the school. The main objective of this system is to provide a better solution to the existing process of managing the record of the student in the Philippine Computer Foundation College. These are the different facilities of the proposed system. First, the Student Management Facility that can be used by the system administrator to manage the record of the students. Second, the login facility will be used by all the users to log in the system. Next, the subject facility is the facility that can be used by the administrator to store all the subjects of the course or level. This facility can be used to manage subject information and can be used to add, edit, and delete subject. The teacher facility, the facility that can be used to handle all the records of the personnel. For the grade recording facility, this is the facility that can be used with the teacher to enter the grade on his or her subject. The user management facility is the facility that can be used by the system administrator to manage the users. The class management facility is the facility that can be used to add the subject offering for the semester and assign a teacher per subject. This facility can be used to enroll student in a class. The grade viewing facility is the facility that can be accessed by the parents and students via online. Report generation facility, on the other hand, is the facility that is available to the registrar. This can be used to generate some important report of the system, such as grade certification, transcript of record, class list, and other important report. These are the activities that must undertake by the developer team in order to develop the system. First is the requirement analysis. The activities in this stage are data gathering, stakeholders interview, preparation of feasibility study report, preparation of software requirement specification. For the system design, the activities are preparation of system design and the hardware and software requirements preparation. For the implementation of the system, these are the sub-activities: development of administrator module, student module, enrollment module, and the grade entry form. After the development of this module, there will be a system integration. For the system testing, we have activities are setting up the system website, validation of system functionality against test cases, and the preparation of the test cases report. For the system deployment, the activities are the preparation of user manual and the stakeholder orientation and training for the system. In the system deployment, there will be a test cases of the users. For the system maintenance, we have to correct the errors and add some system features. This is the proposed budget in developing and running the system. For the personnel, we need 1,356,000. While for the tools and equipment, we need 306,000. The grand total for that is 1,662,000. For the tools that will be used in the development, we have HTML5, CSS or Cascading Style Sheet, Bootstrap, PHP, JavaScript and jQuery, and the MySQL for the relational database. For the software that will be used to develop the system, we have SAMP, Windows 10, Navicat, Visual Studio Code, and Microsoft Office. Let us now proceed to system analysis and design. For the feasibility study, this is the result. The school has already acquired all the technical requirements of the school since it is a computer school. And the school administrators and the president have agreed that the system will be developed by some of the faculties of the school who handled computer programming subject. Faculties as well as students have enough knowledge in using the IT, particularly the program, since it is a part of their curriculum. Other stakeholders who have no knowledge in IT will have a training on using the new system. The developers agreed that the system will be developed within 6 months. What are the problems that we encounter in the current system? First, the current system does not have a database since it uses Microsoft Excel to record the data of the students. Second, some of the students find it hard to request student credential because of the difficulties and time-consuming of retrieval of record. Some of the record are lost. As a result, teacher provide another grading sheet to solve the problem. Since the school use Microsoft Excel, there will be a tendency that there is a file redundancy. This is the process model of the system. This project adopts the waterfall model wherein it has 6 stages. The first stage is the requirement stage. Second is the system design. Third is implementation. Fourth is testing. Fifth is deployment. And the sixth is the maintenance stage. This is now the context diagram of the system wherein it has 4 entities: the student, the faculty, the administrators, and the school principal. The arrow represent data that comes in and comes out from the entity. This is now the level 1 data flow diagram of the system wherein it has 6 sub-processes. First is submission of requirement. Second is the encoding of record of the students. Third is the preparation of the class schedule. Fourth is the student enrollment. Fifth is the grade entry, while the last is the viewing of grade. As you can see in the diagram, there is also a database of the record of the grades and students. This is the entity relationship diagram, wherein, as you can see, we have 7 tables, and the 7 tables has a relationship between one table to another table. This is now the use case diagram of the system, wherein it has 5 actors: the registrars, students, faculty, president, department head, or administrators. Each actors has different use cases, which is represented by the arrow. The conceptual system interface design illustrates that all users must log in the system. Upon login, each user has different activities that can be done in the system. The Gantt chart illustrates that this system can be developed within 6 months, from January to June on the next school year.